Hello guys, today I will show you how to create Apple ID easily on PC or mobile. For some people it is so hard to create Apple ID for themselves. So here is what you want. First of all, thanks for 30 subscribers. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
To the summer of love.
Go to Google and search for Apple ID. Link in the description. Click on Create Apple ID. Write your first name and last name. Select your country where you live. For example, I am from Pakistan and will click Pakistan. After that, add your date of birth like September 12, 1990. Now here you should add your Gmail ID. And add password must contain a capital letter and a number. Now add a security question of your own choice. And enter the code on the picture. Go to your Gmail account and open the email sent by Apple. Add the code to the Apple ID and click on Next, and click on Continue. And your Apple ID is ready to use. Thanks for watching.